Most guys think aftershave is an old school splash-on cologne that your grandpa used. But here is the truth. Using aftershave the right way can completely change how your skin looks and feels after shaving. And skipping it is probably why you deal with razor burn, bumps, and dry skin. Let's get into it. So what does it really do? After shaving, your skin is pretty vulnerable. There are tiny cuts, there are open pores, and overall your skin is going to be pretty irritated. Simply put, aftershave is designed to calm your skin, disinfect, and protect. Now traditionally there are two main types of aftershave. There's alcohol-based aftershave, and then there are like creams and lotion kind of aftershaves. Alcohol-based aftershaves tighten the skin and kill the bacteria, and the balms and lotions out there are going to soothe and hydrate the skin. Now modern aftershaves often combine ingredients that do both. For example, Volt's aftershave combines the disinfecting properties of alcohol with the soothing power of witch hazel, menthol, and cucumber extract. And it does so in stages. The alcohol goes on and it gives you that kind of aftershave burn that we all know and love, but then it evaporates, leaving behind the other ingredients which do the soothing after the bacteria has been killed. So what are the really big benefits of using aftershave? One of the main ones is that it fights bacteria, so you don't get the problems that arise with things like breakouts or ingrown hairs. And because of those added ingredients, it also helps soothe and provide hydration to the damaged skin. And if you pick a good aftershave, it'll keep your skin smelling and feeling good for hours after the shave. And by far the biggest mistake guys make with aftershave is getting the first bottle on the shelf, the one that burns your skin up, that makes you never want to use aftershave again. Those are typically very harsh, the ones that you can just go to the grocery store and buy. And that's because they're mass produced with not the greatest ingredients for your skin. Now most aftershaves are going to have an initial bite when you apply it, but after just a few seconds the right product should feel smooth and not painful. So if you're not using aftershave, you're missing out on probably what is one of the most easy ways to keep your skin healthy and your shave looking sharp. Try out a good aftershave that combines the disinfecting and the soothing powers of different ingredients. And I guarantee you will feel the effects the first time around. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit like and subscribe. We've got tons of other videos answering a ton of other grooming topics out there. If you're curious about Volt, the aftershave, and what's in it, go ahead and click the link in the description. We'll have everything you want to know there. Once again, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in another video.